going on, everybody? Welcome back to RP Independent. Today we're in the back of the Magnum. We're gonna be working on them fucking wheels that I've been talking about. I got primer, I got the paint, the hardener, the enamel mixer, the gun, the air, the tape, all that shit's done. The wheels, they're taped up and ready. I'm gonna throw another coat of primer or self-etching primer on them. One of them has primer, just not enough, and then the other one doesn't have any on it. So we're gonna spray that down. You guys are gonna see that. And then this video might take days to do, but I'm gonna throw it all into one, so this will be a part. So let's get on those wheels, I'll show you. Here they are, unprimed, all ready, and slightly primed already. So yeah, hop on that. There's primer. Throw them in the grass, let them bake. Probably go get some Taco Bell to rest up after. And then we're good. Update you when I spray it. Alright guys, here it is, the primer. Got the wheels set up. Like I said, one's done. One still needs to be done. You can see there's still some like small bits where it's like scratched up. Other than that, it's ready to prime. So I better get over here for this dude's tractor fucking makes a bunch of noise. Finished up the areas on the one wheel. And then the wheel that wasn't primed has now been primed. Zoom. For the first part it's good. I mean, I'll probably have to throw another layer on it, which is okay, but I needed to get down behind the feed and mainly in the barrel shit. Other than that, that's all I'm really worried about. Some of that etching shit that'll come out. This is a self-etching primer, by the way, so any of this stuff I can just sand back like it's nothing. I'm just picking out spider webs that are covered in paint now. Primer, sorry. It's a difference. But yeah, I'm gonna let those bake and do that. And it's another day, and I'm less haired. But we're back here at the wheels. It's just been another day since I last messed with them, primed them a little bit. But they're good, they're primed. I checked the face of this one real good. It's fine on the front. I haven't checked the barrel inside and all that, so I need to look at that a little better. But this front was already primed from my dad's, and I don't know if you can tell, but it just needs cleaned up, like wiped down before I'm getting ready for paint. I was thinking about painting today actually, but I got the air hose all pulled out where it needs to be, and it's just super windy today. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but yeah. So I don't know about paint today actually. Good day to probably just drive around, but we'll see about that. I'll probably check the weather, see how the rain or the wind's doing. Maybe see about painting these later. We'll see. I should stop touching them because I got dirty hands. Well guys, here we are, Wednesday. And they're the exact same as when I left them on Sunday. Or Saturday. I said I was going to paint them on Sunday, but I don't know. Just never got around to it. But it's Wednesday, and I'm not working today. So I'm going to attempt to paint them. I got to mix the paint, do all the other shit, pull all this outside, pull the hose, the gun. Make sure that's working. A whole bunch of shit to do just to paint these. That's why I've been dreading it. So here's where we're at. Paint's right here. Hardener. Reducer. To open the shit. Stir and stick. Mixing. That's a clear coat, but that's for days later. Wheels are set up outside. Guns up out there. Everything is ready except to paint, or mix the paint. And I'm nervous, so I'll get to it now, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna do this as best as I possibly can. Here's the paint, it's mixed. Walking, and there's the wheels. Alright, there's the gun. Now, I gotta filter this paint in there, stir it a little more, and then somehow spray it, and maybe you guys can see it, but I don't know, because the camera's gonna get set up about like that. There you go. I need more paint. Alright guys, so sorry I didn't turn the camera back on when I went to get paint, but they're done. Done now. There's runs. I'm gonna tell you now, so you don't just flame me in the comments when I don't say them. But there's some runs on one because I went heavy and I didn't. The first mix of paint, I confused the hardener and the reducer, so it's whatever. They're my wheels, I did it myself, so I'm fine with it. And yeah, those runs will be either razor bladed out later or just sanded back. I don't care, I got time and I can do this shit, so. But I'll show you them. Here they are. Black. Hard to tell because of the reflection, but there's just one coat. Here's where I'm talking about runs. You see that? There's one right there. There's some right there. Yeah. It's just my fault. I don't. It's fine. They'll get sanded back. I'm not tripping. But go ahead. Laugh at me. I don't know. But they're gonna look good. But that's where we're at. I don't know when I'm gonna put this video up. There's still a whole bunch of shit left to do on them till they're done and on the car. I'm thinking at least 3 days of drying here, and then I'll fuck with those runs and probably have to spray another coat on them, which I'm fine with. I want to do it anyways. Leave those sitting for 5 days of drying as long as they're good, no runs, and then I'll be able to clear coat them, which will be another 5+ days. But hey, then we'll be done and they'll be on the car, so I'm waiting for it too. But in the meantime, I might do something. I've been talking about doing an exhaust. I'm gonna run it by Clayton tonight when I go over there, but I'm thinking of something. It's inspired by another YouTuber, so it's the exact same setup. You probably know the other one. But I think that'll be it for this one. If you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Come back for more. Comment. Tell us it was stupid. Flame them for the runs. I don't care. They'll get fixed. But if you guys want to subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.